Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace brake pads on a Ford Ranger. First, gather your essential tools, including a floor jack, 2 sturdy jack stands, and a lug wrench. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is on a level surface. Carefully lift the front of your Ranger and secure it properly on the jack stands. Once stable, use your lug wrench to remove the wheel, exposing the brake assembly. You'll then need to locate the 2 caliper bolts, which are usually 13 or 15 millimeters in size. Now, using the correct size socket, loosen and remove the 2 caliper mounting bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently slide the entire brake caliper assembly off the rotor. It's crucial to support the caliper. Never let it hang by the brake hose, as this can cause damage. Use a sturdy wire or a bungee cord to hang it securely from the suspension. With the caliper out of the way, you can easily remove the old brake pads from the caliper bracket. Before installing the new pads, you'll need to compress the caliper piston back into its bore. You can use a large C-clamp or a specialized brake caliper compression tool for this step. Next, install any new brake hardware clips that came with your new pads onto the caliper bracket. These ensure proper pad movement. Now, carefully slide the new brake pads into their designated slots on the caliper bracket. Finally, maneuver the caliper back over the new pads and rotor, ensuring everything aligns correctly. With the new pads in place, reinsert the 2 caliper mounting bolts and tighten them securely. Once the caliper is fastened, reinstall the wheel onto the hub and tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. Carefully lower your Ford Ranger completely off the jack stands. Before driving, it's vital to pump the brake pedal several times until it feels firm. This action pushes the caliper pistons out, seating the new pads against the rotor and restoring proper brake pressure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.